Hi, it's your girl Hot Chick, and all you're about to hear is a soulful song with a mix of musical-ish. And I want y'all to put your hands together to my boy, Curse One, on the JEB. Let's go.
Di ka maipaliwanag ang aking nararamdaman. Pagkatabi kita, di ako makapagsalita, pero di ibig sabihin nun na ayaw kita at di kita gusto. Sadyang kumakabalang ang damdamin